Everyone, just want to give you an update on what I've been working on. Really nothing on the Carrera 3.2. It's been perfect. No issues. I just got back from running errands with it. And no major issues, nothing, just gas and go. So I've been working on this. This is a 73 BMW R75 slash 5. And yeah, it has the flat engine, similar to the Porsche, although it's push rod, so it's a bit easier to work on. There was a company in West Palm Beach here that did cosmetic restorations of this, but so it looked good mechanically, not so good. So I'm going through it now. It has a front drum that was out of adjustment, so I learned how to do that. Um, it was missing the original horn, so I got that. I did do the valve adjustment, so it's pretty easy. Just two nuts and one bolt here. Lashes set similar to this with the nut in the screwable tappet. So that was pretty easy. Let's see. What else did I do to this? So I'm working, it's apart now because I'm working on the carburetors. Uh, they were out of sync. Jetting was good, but they were really out of sync. And all of the vacuum lines, well, there's actually one vacuum line over here that was uncovered, so it had like a lean surge, and then the vent lines had no hoses on it. So, you know, it's like the typical thing where you get something and it looks good, but it's not sorted. That's what this was. But some nice hardware on it, a new Icon shocks, and yeah, electronic ignition, so no points, this Dyna 3. That's cool. And then the owner put on crash bars. He put on the bum German mirrors, which, yeah, I like them. So I've been driving this around. Original exhaust, it looks like. And I put this side stand on. That is the Farley side stand. So anyway, I'm syncing the carbs with this tool, which will let me know what the vacuum is. I've already done it one time, but I really need to have the tank off because the adjustments for the carbs are here and down here. So I'm going to get two of the tank mounted auxiliary tanks, hook them directly into each carb, and then finish my sync. And then I'll put it back together and take another video. So anyway, that's what I've been up to. Again, the 911 has been absolutely perfect. So yeah, just enjoyed my time with it this morning, and let me know if you want to see more content on this, or if there's anything you want me to discuss. I have an idea for another video, so maybe look for that of the things I will not do with my 911. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.